Welcome to our deep dive into the world of reactive maintenance. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we're going to explore the concept of reactive maintenance, its benefits, drawbacks, and real-world examples. We will also discuss various types of reactive maintenance like emergency, breakdown, and corrective maintenance. So if you're part of a maintenance or operations team looking to understand more about this approach, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Reactive maintenance, what is it exactly? It's all about repairing assets to their standard operating conditions once poor performance or a breakdown is noticed. The primary benefits? It lowers costs and requires less staff to implement. Think of it like Newton's third law, which states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. This law applies to forces and their motion, but we can also see it in everyday experiences. It's human nature to react to a stimulus and change our course of action as needed. So when a piece of equipment breaks, fixing it is a simple and intuitive reaction. This is the essence of reactive maintenance, a maintenance procedure that aims to address problems as they arise. These activities are usually initiated by some event, which in extreme cases can be equipment failure, requiring repair or restoration. Now let's talk about the advantages of reactive maintenance. It usually incurs lesser initial costs and requires lower staffing needs compared to proactive forms of maintenance. Activities are limited to fixing identified issues, and unnecessary preventive activities are not required. Reactive maintenance can make sense for particular equipment and even some operations. However, it's not all rosy. There are disadvantages to reactive maintenance, as the stakes get higher with more intricate machinery that may require more time to repair and have a greater impact on production and performance. The risks of reactive maintenance may outweigh the benefits. A typical plant might have some key equipment on which production and performance heavily rely on. Unplanned breakdowns can cause serious production and safety issues that would cost more to fix compared to investing time and resources on preventive precautions. Reactive maintenance can be used as a general term to refer to any maintenance activity done as a response. This can result in various types of reactive maintenance. Let's look at a few examples. First, we have emergency maintenance. This is immediate maintenance activity that is required to keep an asset operational. It can be a response to urgent safety requirements that need to be addressed. These types of maintenance are usually prioritized over usual activities, potentially causing serious downtime and setbacks to schedules. Next, we have breakdown maintenance. This happens when an asset ceases to work due to failure. Equipment that is deemed non-operational but still repairable is the usual candidate for this type of maintenance. Finally, we have corrective maintenance. This is when extreme disruptions of performance have not occurred yet, but some faulty parts were noticed during related or non-related maintenance procedures. An opportunity to fix issues, discovered while performing other procedures, can be within the scope of corrective maintenance. Now let's look at a couple of everyday examples of reactive maintenance. First, think about changing a light bulb. It's happened to all of us. A light bulb suddenly gives out. Regardless of how it happens, the fix is simple and specific. Change the defective light bulb. Second, consider car maintenance. Say your car won't start because the battery is all used up. The solution would be to change out your battery, which is a form of reactive maintenance. In conclusion, reactive maintenance is a maintenance approach that addresses problems as they arise. It generally has little initial cost required and can be applicable to some scenarios. However, when concerning plants that require continuously reliable operations, reactive maintenance approaches will have their limitations in preventing breakdowns. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the concept of reactive maintenance, its benefits, drawbacks, and real-world examples. We've also discussed various types of reactive maintenance like emergency, breakdown, and corrective maintenance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on future videos. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more informative content.